y'all, welcome back to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have my month in review for September. As I was gathering everything, I could not believe how many WIPs that I have in progress, or work in progress stands for WIP. And I was able to complete one for September, so I am happy about that. And I'll show you that one as well. And then I'm going to also let you know what I plan on doing for the month of October and November. I'm hoping to get quite a bit accomplished, but we shall see, because it's getting really busy at work. And then also we'll be really busy for things that we do for our family. So the first one I do have, it has been in my work in progress for a long time, since the end of last year. This is House on the Cliff. It is by Image World, and it is from Diamond Art Club. It is a 98 centimeter by 70 centimeter. So I've gotten quite a bit done, but I did not get anything done for September on this, but I love how it's coming out. I do want to work on this some more in October. It reminds me of fall, definitely gives me some fall vibes in there. I love the mountain in the background. I love how the tree is forming, and I really like this bridge. So hopefully I'll be able to get at least a couple of sections done, but we'll see. So I'm moving this one. These aren't in any particular order either. I'm just have them on the table the best that they will fit. The next one here is one that I showed you as I was unboxing this one. This is Layers of Ocean Magic. It is the artist Mermaid's Cove. And this one is from Calming Canvas Designs. And Joy, the owner, sent me this to review. I've done this one little section here. So not very much, but I wanted to look and see how I felt about the drills. Love the drills so far. I do want to work on this very heavily in October. Trying to figure out the best way to work on these WIPs. Here is my Josephine wall, and this is from Diamond Painting Deutschland. It is one that I started on in April for the event that I co-hosted, and I'll be doing that again in April. I can't decide if I want to put this one up and wait on it until the event or keep working on it. I actually would like to work on it. My next one is actually a completion. This is Poseidon, and it's licensed from Effervescence. This is my Bella Art Diamonds, and this was formerly Mary's Diamonds. It does have Mary's Diamonds on the top here, because this was the first round that they released. And if you are looking for a really good deal, Mary's Diamonds, or Bella Diamonds, is now having a sale where if you purchase one that is from their first release, you will receive a second one up to, well, it's 60% off. And so I think that is a really good deal, and I love the drills on this one. It is a round drill, but I love how it turned out. It is so shiny and sparkly. This normally is not my style on Poseidon, but I wanted to do this to put Poseidon next to a couple of my mermaids that I've completed. I do have a post review on this one that is going to come out, I believe, on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. And if you are not subscribed, if you will click on the subscribe button and the notification button, you will receive notifications when I do have this one to come out, or any of my videos. I am so close to completing this one, Halloween Cat. This is from Puffy Gator. It is a 50.7 centimeter by 50.7 centimeter from Diamond Art Club. And I love the shine on this one. I think it is so cute. I love the cat's eyes, the little pumpkins. And all I have left is just this section here. So really from this part here and over. So I can get that done probably in one sitting. So I plan on getting this one done very soon, so you will see this as a post review. I'm also doing that one for Drills and Chills. This next one I have been working off and on since Summer with the Masters in June. This is the Moon from Alons Muka. It is a 40 by 100, and this is from Diamond Painting Shop. And I love the colors on this one. I can bring that one down just a little. I love the colors on this one. I have gotten quite a bit done. Actually, I've gotten all but one section. Roll this up just a little. And yes, you should roll with the drills on the outside, but I'm just rolling this up just for a minute, and it has never hurt these. I have this section here up until her neck, and I got tired of doing the dress, needed a break, so I went up to the top here, and I've got most of this done. So I just have this little section here. So really, it's not that bad. I would say maybe a 30 by 40 that I need to complete. So I'm hoping to get this one done in October as well. Maybe a 40 by 50. I'm just guessing, but I have not bothered to measure. This one is my ongoing massive project that is a converted cross stitch, and I am loving how this one is turning out, especially on the end over here where you can see this section and the little tree over here. It's kind of hard to tell on some of this what it is. It is a little pixelated, but this is a tree with someone that is sitting under the tree. And then down here is supposed to be the same thing. I can't tell that this is a person. I've checked to see if I have messed up, but I haven't. So I'm hoping that this will come out a little bit better. And then down here is just the start of the bookshelf. But I'm working right now down on this section, and then I'm going to go across and do my 6 again. I am going to go back to having this on Saturdays to where I have a whip and chat on my cross stitch conversion. I'm not sure if I'm going to have it for this week or not. This does take a lot of planning for me to do, and it takes up, a lot of mental capacity, and I just have not been up to getting back to this one yet because of everything that's been going on in August and September with my family. But I'm hoping to get back to this soon, and I will. So I promise I will get back to it. I just cannot promise when. Hopefully either this week or next week. But I do plan on it. This one is one of my favorite ones. This is Professor Oliver McCrum, and this is from Cheryl Baker from Diamond Art Club. And I did this for the Cheryl Baker event. I only have about 2.5, 3 rows left, but I love how he is turning out. It just looks so good. And it's one of my favorite ones that I've done this year. So I only have this section that I'm working on and then 2 more sections. So I may be able to get this done in October. If I flip him around, you can probably see him a little bit better. But I'm hoping to get this done. If I don't do it in October, hopefully in November. But I am adding another 2 to my rotation. Actually 3 in November. So in addition to all the ones I showed you, I have 3 more that I want to start on. One is from Oraloa. I have my Bella Art Diamonds that was just sent to me on the Mermaid. I want to start on that one. And then also I have another one from Diamond Painting Shop. So I need to get some of these done so I can add those. So I am going to have quite a few in my rotation for a while until I can get some of these done. But I'm okay with that. I hope you guys are okay with me doing that as well. So at least I did get one completion, so that is definitely a plus. And this is all that I have for today. Be on the lookout for that post review from Bella Art Diamonds. And I'll also put a link underneath the description if you are interested in their current sale. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.